The crochet cast on creates a really nice neat edge. You can do it in a few different ways. This is what it looks like when you do it with the latch tool below the needles, and this is what it looks like when you do it with the latch tool above the needles. This edge is not as stretchy as an E-wrap cast on. This is an E-wrap cast on, pretty stretchy, and this is a crochet cast on. You need a latch tool and a couple of weights. Push the needles all the way out. You can start this cast on with a slip knot or with a loop. If you start with a loop, it helps to put a small weight on the end of the yarn to stop the yarn from escaping. Let's cast on with the latch tool below the needles. Bring the latch tool up in between the first and the second needle. Grab the yarn with a hook and pull the yarn through the loop. Bring the tool up between the next two empty needles. Grab the yarn with the hook and pull it through the loop. Hook the loop onto the last needle. And this is how you cast on with the latch tool above the needles. Here's another way you can cast on with the latch tool above the needles. There's no right or wrong, you can choose whichever way works best for you. Thread the yarn in the carriage and knit one row. Push all the needles out again and knit another row. Hang a couple of claw weights on the knitting. And carry on knitting